It's a pleasure to be in your midst once again. The Alumni Association of Computer Engineering Students for both Kaduna Polytechnic and Mina, Federal University of Technology, Mina. Right, the two schools I went to. It's nice catching up with you guys again. Apologies that we're starting late. It's supposed to be for 10:30 p.m. However, we know we are all busy professionals, and even during the weekend, right, some of us had to do one or two, so we needed to wait for everybody to be together. Thank you very much for joining, One, Vic, Larry, Abdul, everybody. Thank you very, very much. This is well appreciated. So you guys know me as Joshua Adigun. Over the years, I have actually upgraded myself and become a professional, a Microsoft professional, Microsoft 365 professional, and then I would say um, through the hard work and community service also with the Nigerian M365 community. We also volunteer as as one of the leadership members, as a mentor, the mentor coordinator, right? I was awarded the prestigious Microsoft Most Valuable Professional award for 2 years now, and hopefully it continues. Right. Not to bore you with stories about me. Yeah. Simply just Joshua Adigun, a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. So I know that we are all professionals in different capacities with different organizations, whether public, service, or even the private sector. Um, we have been hearing about um, AI agents, we've been hearing about different AI models, AI chat boxes and the likes. We know the chat GPT, we know Gemini. If you don't know Microsoft 365 Copilot, I'd say it's a shame, but that's why I'm bringing um, this session to us, introduction to Microsoft 365 Copilot, where you can work with the Microsoft AI solution. Um, what it does is it does pretty much everything. It can help you rewrite your emails, tailor them to different, maybe your CEO, your CCO, or the C-suite guys, or even to your subordinates, your peers and the likes, right? Whether internal or external emails, it can help in sales lead generation. It can help in different capacities. So I would say look at it in this way, right? If you are working in different capacities in your organization, we have different processes across all different departments. Microsoft 365 Copilot can actually assist you in your day-to-day activities in any department where you are. It's just left for you to tailor it to what you do. It can help in sales, it can help in even support, it can help in the medical field, it can help in HR to tailor job descriptions during recruitment, it can help in finance, it can help in administration, so different aspects, right? So that's why we are bringing up this topic so that we can actually have a glimpse. If you don't, and if you have, you can have a glimpse, and even I want to show you how to build your own small Copilot agent that can assist you in your day-to-day task and activities. But before I go on, I will just like to remind us that I have some other videos regarding other Microsoft 365 technologies on my YouTube channel at Joshua Adigun, and on my TikTok channel at AJ Tech House. And then you can also, those have not linked up with me, you can also link up with me on my LinkedIn profile, where you see some other amazing things I've done, and you have access to the community, the Microsoft 365 community, where you can go further to learn more about Microsoft 365 Copilot. So without wasting much time, quickly, I know our time is far gone. Let me just share my screen, and then okay, sorry, I don't know what I pressed. So yep, Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Fundamentals. So you will be wondering, oh, why did Joshua come this time without a comprehensive PowerPoint, just 2 slides? There's what we call the Microsoft Learn. This is where everything about Microsoft 365, Windows 365, anything about Microsoft, there's a learning path, right, that Microsoft have for all their technologies and services. And then following those paths, right, you can actually become expert in any of the choosing path. Yeah, so we are here for Microsoft 365 Copilot and Agent Fundamentals. Here you would see different topics, right? You scroll down, you see different topics around Microsoft 365, exploring Microsoft 365 Copilot chart, overview of Microsoft 365 Copilot chart, how you can transform your ideas into actions, what is Microsoft 365 Copilot, how does it work, how can it analyze, how can it draft and even present my day-to-day activities for me, either in Microsoft Word, Excel, or even PowerPoint, right? How it can also empower you as a workforce in an organization, or even your department, if you are the head of department, or you are an IT guy that brings in innovative ideas, right? This can be actually introduced to the organization. And then there are different use cases, and then you can perform your day-to-day business processes, right? I also teach you at the end quickly how to create a tailored agent specific to what you do on a daily basis. So I'll be creating an agent, and then I'll be using the Microsoft 365 Copilot chat also to create the prompt. So quickly, Microsoft 365 Copilot, quickly let me talk about this. Copilot chat offers secure AI-driven chat with pay-as-you-go agent. It enhances research, data analysis, and inspiration, providing better answers, efficiency, and new ways to complete tasks. So I'll also show you the licenses that are needed if you want to do greater things with Microsoft 365 Copilot. And then we also have what we call the Copilot Studio also, right? So let's see, what is Microsoft 365. Let's see quickly. Microsoft 365 Copilot overview, right? Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI-powered tool that helps with your work task. I've mentioned this before. Users can use prompts. I mentioned I'm gonna use the Copilot chat to generate prompts, which I would use to build the agent that is tailored to your day-to-day task or activity, right? So users like yourself and myself can enter prompts into the Copilot, and Copilot responds with AI-generated information. So these responses are in real time, and can include interest-based content. So you can tailor it to a particular niche, yeah, and then work content that users have permission to access. You can even tailor the agent to say specific information or document library you have in your organization, right? Users get content relevant to their work tasks. You can see this video, watch it. Let me see if I can drop the link in the chat box so that you can also look at later. Let's see. Yep. Minimize this. So using Microsoft 365 Copilot, say for example, you're an operations manager and are working with human resources to update job description. By providing Copilot the basic job requirement, you can ask Copilot to create a job description for you, as simple as ABC. This would be tailored to the HR department. And then your company have vacancies, you can actually tailor those agents to work with the prompt and then the basic requirements you've provided for them. So there's a difference between Microsoft 365 Copilot and Copilot Chat. The Microsoft 365 Copilot uses organizational data and the web. It requires an add-on license. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat uses the web and users can provide organizational data. So there are two different things. One uses your organization's data and the web. It requires an add-on license. When you have the Microsoft 365 license, whether Microsoft 365 Business Basic, Business Premium, Business Standard, and other tiers of subscriptions, right? You would require an add-on license for the Microsoft 365 Copilot. But for the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, it only uses the web with it, and then you as a user provide organization data. It doesn't require an additional license, right? So what are the technical details? So this is the architecture of what Microsoft 365 Copilot is. We have the users like yourself and myself and our devices here. We have the apps, the Microsoft 365 suites, right? The app here, Edge, Word, Microsoft Teams, Excel, Outlook, and then you can click on the plus for other additional apps. And then here, where the Microsoft 365 service boundary is. So it's kind of still divided into